Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating SUD error on your Kenmore Elite Washer from 2025, you're in the right place. This error code basically means your machine has detected too many SUDs, which can stop it from draining properly and leave your laundry in a soapy mess. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what causes this and how to fix it step by step. First off, why does this happen? The SUD error, short for SUDs detected, is often triggered by using too much detergent. Maybe you're overloading with powder or liquid soap, or perhaps you're using a formula that's not heat-compatible for your high-efficiency washer. Other culprits could include a clogged drain pump, a kinked hose, or even hard water buildup that's creating extra foam. Let's jump into troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Then, check your detergent usage. Aim for the recommended amount on the label, usually just a tablespoon or two for machines. Next, run a quick drain and spin cycle without any clothes or detergent to see if that clears the SUDs. If the error persists, it's time to get hands-on. Locate the drain pump filter, usually at the bottom front of the washer, and clean it out. You might find lint, coins, or other debris causing the backup. While you're at it, inspect the drain hose for any kinks or blockages, and make sure it's properly connected. Once everything's clear, plug the washer back in and test a small load. Pro tip: switch to a low sudsing detergent to prevent this issue in the future. It'll save you time and frustration. If you've tried all this and the SUD error keeps popping up, it might be a sign of a deeper problem, like a faulty sensor or pump. In that case, it's best to call in a professional technician to avoid any further damage. Thanks for watching, and remember, fixing appliances yourself can be empowering, but safety first. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.